If your Superbox channels aren't working, then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this problem. In most cases, the issue can be a server maintenance. So if you go to the Superbox group, a Facebook group, a lot of people were complaining on this issue. Someone was complaining about the Canadian channels not working this morning, as you can see. And a lot of people suggested that it's a server maintenance. As you see, they are doing maintenance. So if you're facing this problem, maybe on other channels, it cannot be Canadian channels, maybe it can be other channels. If they aren't working, it can be a server maintenance. So you can try to wait maybe like a few hours and try again, since when they are doing server maintenance and backup, you'll be facing a lot of issues. So I advise you maybe wait like a few hours and try again. If maybe you've waited longer, but you're still having the same problem for Superbox channels still not working, then let's go to another step, which is check your internet connection. So check your internet connection. Try to reboot your TV and the Superbox. This can help resolve minor connection glitches. So Superbox recommends an internet speed at this one. As you see, what are the internet speed requirement? For optimum performance, we recommend an internet speed of at least 8 megabytes per second for VOD streaming. For live HD streaming, or a higher speed is preferable. So they recommend at least having an 8 MB per second. This can help you view channels smoothly. So if you're not having this speed, maybe you're having less than this one, which is recommended, you'll be having a lot of issues. So I recommend you to try to improve your internet speed. Also, you can try to reboot your TV and the Superbox. This can help you resolve minor connection glitches. If you're having a good internet speed, maybe you have a more than this one, which is recommended, but you're still having the same problem, then try to factory reset. If you've tried everything and the problem persists, consider a factory reset. This will revert your Superbox to its original setting, potentially resolving any issues. However, be prepared to reinstall apps and reconfigure settings afterward. Now, there are two methods to reset your Superbox. The first one is using the settings menu. On the home screen, click the cog icon, which is settings. So on the home screen, just click the cog icon, which is your settings. Now navigate to device preferences and choose reset. Confirm the reset. When prompted, your device will reboot and return to its factory settings. Another one is using the remote shortcut. With your remote pointed at the device, press 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0, which are actually 5 zeros. Don't forget this point in a row. So just type this one on your home screen, which is 0.0, 0.0, 0.0. Make sure you type them as it is actually shown here on the screen. Keep point and number 05 times in a row. This will trigger the reset function, restoring the device to its original factory settings. Make sure to back up your important data before resetting. So these steps will help you fix Superbox channels not working. So make sure to follow them very carefully. If you're still having the same problem, even after following all the information that I've shown to you, then probably you can try to reach out to Superbox and they can guide you on how to fix this issue.